Jamaican-born couple perishes in a house fire in New Jersey, USA. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details making the headlines. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. A Jamaican-born Christian couple died in a house fire at their house in Teaneck, New Jersey, United States on Thursday. The deceased has so far been identified as 32-year-old Dalton Brown and 29-year-old Amaya Brown, both of Teaneck in New Jersey. According to social media network, the couple had been married since December 2016. Amoya Brown's LinkedIn profile revealed that she was a case manager at Care Plus New Jersey and also a professor at Bergen Community College. Dalton Brown was a checking department representative of Columbia Bank, according to his LinkedIn profile. Reports are that the fire started on the second floor of the house sometime after 3 a.m. on Thursday morning. Responders to the blaze said that it appeared that the couple was trapped in the attic apartment on the third floor. They were reportedly found unresponsive. They did not survive. As news of the tragedy spread, several friends and fellow churchgoers gathered near the burnt-out house on Arlington Avenue in Teaneck for an emotional prayer vigil. Dalton and Amoya Brown were members of the Westside Worship Center in Inglewood, New Jersey. According to an article, the Browns were originally from Jamaica. They had no children of their own but were described as members of an integral Westside Worship Center. The cause of the fire is still unknown, according to Bergen County Prosecutor Mark Mazzella, who said that its crime unit, the arson squad, is seeking to establish the cause along with the Teaneck police investigators. A GoFundMe page has been established to offset the funeral expenses for the two. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.